Are you dreaming of studying in Europe but struggling with expensive, stressful English language tests like IELTS or TOEFL? What if I told you that you can study in Portugal, completely exempt from IELTS, and even secure a scholarship to cover your costs? Yes, it's entirely possible. Portugal is quickly becoming one of the top destinations for international students, offering world-class education, affordable living, and a straightforward pathway to Europe. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can bypass IELTS, find fully funded scholarships using university portals, and navigate the official EU immigration guidelines to secure your student visa. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the IELTS exemption. Many international students don't realize that Portuguese universities operate under flexible policies. If you look closely at individual university websites, you will find three main ways to prove your language skills without IELTS. First, if you are from an English-speaking country, you are automatically exempt. Second, if your previous degree, like your high school diploma or bachelor's degree, was taught entirely in English, you can simply submit a medium of instruction certificate from your school. And third, many universities allow you to complete an online English assessment or a quick video interview directly with their admissions department. Now, how do you fund your studies? Scholarships in Portugal are primarily decentralized, meaning the best place to look is directly on the specific university websites. When navigating a Portuguese university site, look for sections labeled Social Services, SAS, or Scholarships and Funding. Government-backed DGES scholarships are available at public universities to help students lower their tuition fees. Additionally, universities offer independent merit scholarships for top-performing international applicants, which are applied automatically during the admission review. Don't forget to look for Erasmus Mundus joint programs hosted by Portuguese institutions, which provide fully funded monthly stipends and health insurance. It's a fantastic opportunity for those eligible. Once you have your university acceptance letter, it's time for the visa. According to the official European Union immigration portal guidelines for Portugal, non-EU international students must apply for a D4 visa. The EU portal outlines a transparent checklist. You will need your official certificate of enrollment, travel documents, and health insurance. Crucially, you must demonstrate sufficient financial resources. If you have a scholarship, your award letter acts as your official proof. This makes the visa approval process incredibly smooth. Now, let's wrap up with your action plan. 1. Visit university websites to verify language exemptions. 2. Request a medium of instruction certificate from your current school. 3. Apply for admission and check the scholarship boxes. 4. Prepare your visa paperwork early via the EU portal. Portugal is waiting for you. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.